Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Kuwait International Airport application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. So within this application you can search for flight status, you can check the timetables, and you can also check your airport maps, you can read important news, and in the settings section you can change the language, you can submit suggestions and complaints, and you can also find very useful links like the lost and found section and the passenger satisfaction survey. So overall it's a very useful application if you want to search for flight statuses. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.